Okay. I was trying to get my text working in Adobe Photoshop because I'm trying to post this image, but I had an idea before I was posting it to SoundCloud. I was going to take the image and then do this with it. So jumping ahead, I wanted to go ahead and just put this as the album cover. So put my Warrior X on there, and then I wanted to do vertical text going down this way. I couldn't do that because when I hit the text button, all I got was this, and so I googled to see how do I get vertical text, and I got all these videos on how to fix it. So to save you trouble from going and looking through these videos, you'll see a lot of them were coming up with Illustrator or Premiere or other types, and most of them, the solution was to basically just reset everything to. Here's an example. We do. Yeah, reset preferences and okay. So he's resetting everything all the way through. That's what he does to fix it. Which I don't know. I reset one thing and it didn't fix it, and I said to myself, this is silly. I shouldn't have to reset everything to be able to do it. There's got to be a way to get the text tool over here again. So I did some digging and found, which I will share with you. If you go, so the problem is I expected, and what you'll see in other videos is they'll say if you hold down the button, the text tools will come up, other than just vertical. I'm holding down the button right now. You can't see, and if you know anything about Adobe, you might recognize that if you see a little arrow like this, then you can hold down the button and other things will show up. If you don't see a little arrow like that, then that is not an option. So that was my first, okay, I don't know what's happening. But I think that was done in a different program when I first got that one. So then I started poking around in the type section and I couldn't find anything there. But what I did, so if I go to type panels, maybe it's under character panel. I think I clicked paragraph panel. Let's see what character styles panel does. No, that's not helpful. That's not helpful. I don't understand that on first look. Maybe if I look into it further, it'll make sense. But I got to a point where I was able to adjust these this toolbar, and it looks like it's when I click the text, there's a toolbar that pops up for it. So what I did, how I got there to adjust that, because now I can. Oh wait, oh no, it's not showing up. Do I have to add it again? Maybe I didn't save it last time. So let's walk through it. So I went to Edit, Toolbar, I think I went to. Yes. So back up. So Edit, Toolbar, and I think you have to be on that text. So let's just test. Right now I'm on the text one, and if I go to here and I do edit toolbar, does that bring me someplace else? Toolbar. That looks to be about the same. Alright, so if I scroll down here, I see the horizontal type tool is on there. What I want to do is get the vertical type tool on there. So if I look over here, these are the tools that are available to me. If I scroll down, I think it's all in alphabetical order. Yeah. And so these are the text ones, and I want the vertical type tool, so I'm going to click it, I'm going to drag it over, I'm going to drop it in underneath with the vertical type tool. So I think this blocks it together for things if you need it. And then I'll hit done. I think I just closed it last time. So I'll hit done, and we'll click on text. Ooh, and see, there's a little arrow now. So now I can hold down, click on vertical type tool. There we go. Now I can make my edit as need be. I think I spelled my own name wrong. Let's see. Where are you? Oh, shoot. Oh, that was... Let's change the font and all that. So when I reset everything, so this is the problem with resetting everything. When I reset everything, it reset everything that I had set up here as far as colors and fonts and stuff that I wanted. So save yourself some time and do it this way before resetting everything. Where is... And if you couldn't tell, I'm learning as I go here. Where are the colors? Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to increase the size. Excuse me. Found it. It's just very tiny over here. So where are my fonts sizes? Alright, so I've wrote it twice. Okay. What size is this? 152.24. That's about right. 152.24. Increase that. That's going to have to shrink, actually. Ugh, this is... This is not my favorite thing to do. That's why I'm looking to hire people to do this for me. Alright. How do we... I don't know what just happened there. Can we center it? Needs to be spaced more though, which I think is done. What's this actually? Alexander Quill. Then this is the spacing, I think. Yes? No? No. Oh. vertically scale. Set font size, leading. Okay, so let's see. Really, how do I space them? Well, at the end of the day, I don't like how this looks. So, what if I swap this? Eh. What if I do this? And then we'll do a horizontal text. Yeah, it's fun. Whatever. So anyway, that is how you get the horizontal text tool. So you got to go in and take your, if you want it to show here, and also to show, where is it? Up here. Oh no, I'm just pulling stuff. What is happening? How many things did I create? Alright, where was I? Tools here, and then up here. So if this dropped it, oh, it's here. This button will show up. So we go into Edit, Toolbar, and then you'll find over here, you'll just have to drag the horizontal text or vertical type tool, drag it from over here to over here, hit done, and then you'll be able to use it here and here. Alright, time to go on to the other stuff I was supposed to be doing today. Hope it helped.